Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I usually clean the top electrical lid of my Sunbeam Nutrioven CO3000. Okay, this is the stuff that you will need to clean the electrical top lid of your Sunbeam Nutrioven. So I have some warm soapy water in that pot. It's just warm water with some dishwashing liquid. And then the tea towels at the back. And you can use this Scotchbrite or this other one here. So in today's video, I'm just going to use this one. So let's have a look at how dirty this top lid is. Okay, I have not cleaned the underneath of this top lid since I bought it a few months ago, couple of months ago, and I have used this a few times already. So there's some grime right there. And grease. Okay. Now usually you would put the top lid in this position, sitting on the base here, but for the cleaning purpose I will turn this around. Like so. So I'm gonna get this sponge. And then just start rubbing it. And turn it a little bit. And turn it again. Okay, let's see how that went. Now I'm going to clean this metal part, but since I do not want any liquid to go inside into the electrical parts, I'm going to put this in the right position so I can get hold of the handle and then just tilt it downwards a little bit, and with my sponge and soapy water just start rubbing it. And then turn the position a little bit so that you can get to the rest of the parts. Putting it in the correct position against the base, I'm going to quickly clean the top part here. I'm just drying it with a tea towel again. So that is looking clean, although with the burn marks on the metal bit. I don't think you can clean it unless maybe you use some kind of harsh chemicals, which I would not advise. So yeah, the glass is looking pretty clean. So I apologize if this is looking a bit strange because I'm actually filming this in my studio and not in the kitchen. And then with a damp cloth or damp tea towel, you can just wipe down around the outside as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye!